Two crunches come to mind. Practice makes perfect and old habits are hard to break. Both of these apply to improving your business writing. You may think your writing style is just your style and can't be changed, or you may be resistant to change it, especially when you discover that some of your ingrained notions about business writing are not true. Some of your writing bubbles may burst along this improved writing journey. Being open-minded can be difficult at times. Do understand before you begin that business writing is not the same type of writing used for pleasure writing such as novels or journals. The purpose of that writing is to entertain or for personal reflection. Business writing's purpose is to inform or to persuade with facts. So all successful writing is adapted to its audience and to its purpose. Business people are busy, have communication overload and are scan readers, so effective business writers send only messages that need to be sent, use concise wording and make the documents reader friendly. In order to be able to write effectively for business, practice is necessary. Not just an occasional practice session but regular, consistent practice. Changing your current habits to new, improved habits can be time consuming, but as with any habit, it can be changed. Being willing to change is the first step. Knowing what and how to change is the second step. And practicing until effective business writing becomes second nature is the third step. The total of these three steps is being a successful business writer. So you can get the most out of this course by beginning with an open mind and by being willing to practice. Business people are busy, so they read quickly and scan for key points. Additionally, they quickly decide if the message is important or deserves their valuable time. For business writers, this means the message should be clear and easy to read, so the reader can quickly get to the point. In other words, to succeed in business, you must be able not just to write but to write effectively for business. Any writing training you have had has probably been in creative writing. You added adjectives and adverbs to describe that favorite location or movie. But business writing and creative writing are not the same. Of course, business writing does follow some of the same principles that creative writing teaches. A clear thesis and topic sentences, correct mechanics and transition, so the basics do apply. But effective business writers need to constantly analyze the reader. What does my reader already know, or how will my reader react? Organize the message in the best way for the reader. Does it begin with the purpose and does it look easy to read? Also, let the reader know what the next step should be, such as a time by which a reply is needed and contact information. A fourth point is that effective business writers need to give the impression that the reader is important and not just another number. Make the first message effective to decrease the need for follow-up messages, which are time-consuming and costly, and an effective business writer will choose the correct channel, written or face-to-face, for example. Studies shows that employers rank the ability to communicate as a number 1 or number 2 skill needed to be hired and to be promoted. So how important is having effective business writing skills? It can be the make or break of your career. It really is a big deal.